Students, today we shall discuss about passive voice. Rule 1. To change from active voice to passive voice, the subject of the active voice changes into object of the passive and the object changes into subject. By plus agent is used in passive. For example, I eat rice. Rice is eaten by me. To change from active to passive, active voice को passive voice कला बेले active voice रो subject passive voice रे object हुए एवं object टी subject हुए और by plus agent व्यवहार करा जाए। मैंने सुनो ये जो rice रो object ये object है I eat rice, here rice is object. It is used as subject in passive voice. Rice is eaten by plus agent is used by me. Rice is eaten by me. The verbs which have objects are turned into passive. जो verb गुड़िकर object थाए ताहाकु passive voice करा जाय थाए. Subject that means transitive verbs are used as passive voice. तार्थ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब गुड़िक ही पैसिव वॉइस होता है। जो वर्ब गुड़िकर ऑब्जेक्ट थाए ताहाको ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहा जाए एवं यही ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब गुड़िक पैसिव वॉइस कहा जाए। सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस आर चेंज्ड इनटू ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म्स। जो प्रोनाउन गुड़िक सब्जेक्ट रूपे व्यवहार कराई से गुड़िक पैसिव वॉइस रे ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाए। जो प्रोनाउन गुड़िक एक्टिव वॉइस रे सब्जेक्ट रूपे व्यवहार कराए पैसिव वॉइस रे सही प्रोनाउन गुड़ी को ऑब्जेक्ट रूपे व्यवहार कर जाए। यथा आई चेंजेस इनटू मी, वी चेंजेस इनटू अस, यू चेंजेस इनटू यू, दे, देम, ही, हिम, शी चेंजेस इनटू हर। Passive of tense, present tense, simple present रे active voice रो object टा passive voice रे subject होबो। that means object plus is am are plus verb रो third form plus by plus agent हुए। मु भात खाए I eat rice, एटी rice टा हला object। यहा पैसिव वॉइस रे सब्जेक्ट अनुसार या थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर हला तेणु सब्जेक्ट अनुसार आसला इज, राइस इज। वर्ब पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बा थर्ड फॉर्म इटिन बाय प्लस एजेंट मीन्स सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हो गले ताको एजेंट कहा जाए। राइस इज इटिन बाय मी, आई द ऑब्जेक्ट मी। वी इट राइस, rice is eaten by us, you eat rice, active voice passive voice होगा rice is eaten by your object you। क्लियर। प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस रे ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस am being, is being, are being वर्ब रो थर्ड फॉर्म बाय प्लस एजेंट हुए। I am eating rice, rice is being eaten by us। प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस रे is being, am being, are being इत्यादि व्यवहार करा जाए। We are eating rice, rice is being eaten by us। You are eating rice, rice is being eaten by you। He is eating rice, rice is being eaten by him। They are eating rice, rice is being eaten by perfect tense। Object was have been or has been plus verb third form plus by plus agent हुए I have eaten rice. Rice has been eaten by me. We have eaten rice. Active voice. Passive voice হবো rice has been eaten by us. You have eaten rice. Passive voice হবো rice has been eaten by you. They have eaten rice. Rice has been eaten by them. He has eaten rice. Rice has been eaten by them. ମାନେ past perfect progressive ର passive form ନାହିଁ. This is all about passive form of present tense. You are advised to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.